People, are you Stephen Church?
Yes, sir.
This is People Against Stephen William Church, 24B147140. Tell me your name.
Stephen William Church.
Okay, you're going to have to take your hat off. Now, you talked to the prosecutor and apparently have agreed to plead guilty as charged to telephone harassment. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that is what you wish to do?
Yes.
If you plead guilty to that offense under local ordinance, it is punishable by up to $500 in fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all of those penalties. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, you are presumed innocent. You have the right to a trial by court or jury. There's a constitutional right to a jury trial. The people have to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. By pleading guilty, you're giving up those rights, and there will be no hearing or trial. You're giving up your right to proceed to a jury trial and to testify or remain silent. You're giving up your right, if you plead guilty here, to cross-examining the prosecution witnesses, to bringing in your own, to using the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses, and you're giving up the presumption of innocence. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
Now, again, I'm going to tell you, you have the right to a lawyer. I believe you waived your right to a lawyer before, but I'm still going to tell you you have the right to a lawyer. I'll give you an adjournment if you want to hire one. If you think you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer and want one, I'll be more than happy to adjourn this and let you fill out your petition for a court-appointed lawyer and look at that paperwork and decide whether or not you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Do you understand all of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you wish to waive your right to a lawyer, or do you wish to have a lawyer represent you?
I wish to waive a right. I don't want to waste any more time for anybody.
All right. You understand this is kind of serious, right?
Yes.
All right. But you wish to waive your right to a lawyer, am I right?
Yes.
To the charge telephone harassment, how do you plead?
Guilty.
On September 7, 2024, did you make a phone call to somebody that was at 20665 Telegraph Road in Brownstown?
Yes.
All right. Who did you call?
My son's mother, Madeline Fritz.
How many times did you call Madeline Fritz?
I really wasn't counting, to be honest.
Well, okay. Did you call her more than 10 times on that day?
Possibly.
What did you say to her?
Honestly, I don't recall what I said to her.
Mr. Fritz, this is telephone harassment. This only happened 3 months ago. You don't remember at all? I mean, were you talking to her about the weather or how the Tigers did, or what were you talking about?
It's about my son.
Well, what did you say to her specifically?
I may have threatened her. I'm pretty sure I threatened her.
Okay. When you say you're pretty sure you threatened her, what did you say specifically?
Your Honor, I honestly don't recall what I said to her. I'm in mental health treatment right now. I have rage episodes. I have PTSD, so I can't give you a definite answer of what I said. Okay,
that's fair. I just want you to know that before I can take a guilty plea, I have to be satisfied that you're guilty. And so far, what I've gotten is that you made 10 calls and you probably threatened her. If you remember threatening her, tell me that and tell me what you said. If you don't remember threatening her, then I'm going to send this back to the prosecutor and tell them they're going to have to work something else out, or we're going to proceed the trial because there's no factual basis for your plea right now. I don't know what you said.
I probably did.
Listen to me. Were you upset and angry when you called her on that roughly 10 occasions? And I don't want to put words in your mouth, but I think you said. Okay. What did you say? Did you threaten her?
I may have. I'm pretty sure I have. I don't have full recollection of what happened.
Okay. Do you have enough of a recollection to tell me whether or not you said something that was threatening or annoying or harassing in nature? If you don't, you don't. That's okay.
I obviously called her repeatedly. So.
All right, call the prosecutor in. Your name? So I'm not really getting a lot. I'm getting, I don't remember, and I called possibly 10 times, and I don't know if there's a factual basis. Can you tell me what the police department thinks he did?
I understand. The police did report that they saw text messages where Mr. Church threatened the victim, Madeline Britt, her father, and her new boyfriend. He threatened to kill them.
All right. Mr. Church, did you hear what the prosecutor said?
Yes.
Did you send a text message or multiple text messages that threatened to kill the mother of your child, and or her father or other family members?
I possibly may have. I don't have any of the messages anymore. I dealing with any of this. I just really want to get done with this. I just want to plead guilty and just move on. This is.
Sir, I'm going to ask you one more time. Do you remember doing any of that, threatening to kill the mother of your child? Okay, I don't know how I'm going to take this plea.
I understand that.
I mean, I don't.
In the alternative, our ordinance does state that it could be harassing behavior such that he continues to text or call her.
He even did say possibly. Did you call her at least 10 times or text her at least 10 times, or don't you remember? If you don't, you don't.
Yes.
She did ask that he stop messaging her. That's any.
Do you remember? Was this your ex-wife or just the mother of your child?
It's my ex-girlfriend, mother of my child.
All right. Do you remember her telling you not to text her anymore or call her anymore?
Yes. That was the last time that I messaged her, which was probably a month ago.
And did you still, after the time she told you not to text her or call her or text her, did you do so after she told you not to?
I think so, yes.
Okay. Are you on probation or parole right now?
No, I'm not.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
You satisfied?
I'm satisfied.
I'm going to accept the plea, find it to be an accurate plea. No indication of alcohol or drug use, correct?
Correct.
I'm going to order a pre-sentence report. And you're undergoing mental health treatment. Is that true, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where at?
Community CNS, Community Network Services in Waterford.
All right. And did you go over to Brownstown and get fingerprinted and photographed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to add a bond condition here to continue your mental health treatment with CNS, okay?
Yes,
and then we're going to set this for a sentencing, and you have to undergo a pre-sentence report. I'm going to have probation contact you momentarily and determine whether or not. I think they'll do it by phone today, but they might set another time for you. We're going to give you a sentence date, but you definitely need to make sure you get a hold of them and do the pre-sentence report. I'd really prefer your sentencing here be in person next time, okay? So you have to show up in person next time. Is that going to be on the 18th, Lisa?
Yes, 8:30.
At 8:30. So just wait right there. We're going to get a hold of probation, Lisa or John or somebody, call them and just be patient. They'll come on and they'll either interview you today at this time or they might have you call back, all right? Wish you well. December 18th is your day. And again, that's in person, Lisa, in person. Good luck, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Foley. Carter, are you here on Jones, counsel?
Yes.
Nehemiah, Denise Jones, 19B136739A, B and C.
Good morning, Judge. Attorney Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Ms. Jones.
Where is Ms. Jones? Is she on Zoom?
She should be in Brownstown jail.
Oh, yes. Thank you. This isn't in custody. Okay, ma'am, your name?
Nehemiah Jones.
Okay, officer, your name, please?
Detective Ronaldo Tar, Brownstown PD.
Good morning. So what do you want to do here?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, we would just ask that this matter be set for a pretrial date.
So first of all, she stands mute and waives formal reading.
That's
right?
correct, Your Honor.
On all of these?
That's correct, Judge.
I'll enter not guilty, please. Well, I don't know what you're doing there, young lady. You were supposed to be here on March the 8th after you didn't show again. I don't know what was happening, but I wrote down and highlighted, I think it looks like no more rescheduling. So you must have tried to reschedule and then just said, hey, I'm not going to show up, right? So she's not walking out of here today. I'm sorry. She's been playing with this case for 5 years. So what do you want to say regarding bond? Does she work?
Yes, Your Honor. She is gainfully employed, working full-time at after speaking with her, she did assure me she would be appearing. She understands that these are pending matters and she needs to take care of them.
There's a tax garnishment filed here, too, by us. How much do you make it, ma'am?
1850.
How many hours do you work per week?
4 to 8 or 4 to 7 hours.
A week?
Yeah, a week. It's part-time. So some days I work 4 hours, some days I work 6 hours. It's actually supposed to end December 31st. They're talking about hiring me and because my work.
Well, you need to find other work if you're only working 4 to 7 hours. You're retired.
Yes, I'm aware of that. I haven't been playing with the case either. I have just been homeless and in between jobs and houses. I just recently had another baby and we were staying out of a hotel. So I've just been trying to, get my life back together.
You haven't been here in 5 years. You got a big problem. I hope somebody's going to help you post the bond. 3,010%, I'll go light. That's the best I'm going to do. You cannot ignore courts like this, ma'am. If you'd have come in and said, Judge, I'm indigent, I don't have any money, I'm homeless, I'd have been as compassionate as you can be, but I'm sorry, you cannot do this.